Hi, we are Jen and Leanne, co-owners of Dinner Dispatch, a local meal prep delivery company, and we're going to take a minute to show you how our meals work.
Yeah, so on our website you can order as many meals as you would like, and we deliver them right to your door, which is pretty unique about our service. When they come to your door, they will be delivered in a thermal cooler, and they're going to look something like this. So we have already done all of the chopping and slicing and dicing and measuring, and it comes ready with a recipe card, and all you have to do is cook. So I'm going to show you a little bit what that looks like as we pull these bags out. So we have everything double bagged in here. We've got our recipe card with your easy directions. As you can see, there's like 3 steps. We make it super easy for you to cook these at home.
And in a minute, I will show you exactly how that will look.
Yeah. So this is our first bag. You can see all of those yummy ingredients. It's labeled for you exactly what is in here. There is also the recipe right on the bag, so in case you lose the card, you have another option on how to get that cooked. And this one we have a bag B. This is our sauce. So all you do is follow the directions and whip it together, and you have dinner on the table in minutes. None of the planning, none of the shopping. We get it all done for you.
All right, so the meal we decided to feature for you guys is our Kielbasa Potato Skillet. It's one of our Whole30 compliant meals actually, and one of the easiest, or the best examples of how easy our meals can be. So it comes, like we already showed you, with all the ingredients chopped in the bag. So this just features kielbasa, sausage, onions, Brussels sprouts, and diced potatoes. So this is how easy it is. I've had this skillet preheating for a little bit, and I have to dump it in the pan. So if you were making this recipe on your own, you know, it would also be easy as well, because you would just have to dice these things up and throw them in a pan. That's the kind of cooking this meal is. So once it's simmering in the pan for a few minutes, and this one is so fast because the kielbasa is a pre-cooked sausage, right? It just has to be in here for about 5 minutes. So we'll let it simmer. I'll stir it and leave it alone. While this is heating through, I'll just take a second to talk about why people like to order from Dinner Dispatch. We have a wide variety of customers. Sometimes their reasons are as simple as they want to add some variety into their meals for the week, so they enjoy coming up with their own meals, but they want to have 3 dinners in the week that we come up with for them and add some variety there. Sometimes it's people who absolutely hate to cook, but they know that they can't do takeout every night, so that they want to get some home cooked meals in there and have that just basically done for them. Sometimes it's people who love to cook but really hate the planning, shopping, and prepping that goes along with it, but they still get to do this part and serve real food to their families. So that's how quick and easy this meal was. I have just been letting it go for about 5 minutes-ish. You can see that the kielbasa is starting to brown, and so is everything else. So then I just have to take this sauce pack. I might mix it up a little bit again, but again, this is how it comes with the delivery. So the sauce was, well, let me remember. Brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, a garlic and herb seasoning, and olive oil. So again, it's a Whole30 compliant meal. Not everything that we offer is. This just happens to be one. We have a wide variety of very comfort foodie, family-friendly type things, all the way up to people who are following specific diets. So you just have to dump the sauce on. Get all the goodness out of there. And then you just have to heat it through long enough to let it kind of thicken and create a glaze over the meat and veggies here. And this is pretty much ready. One other thing I will say about this meal is this was one of our full-size meals. So this, we have meals that come in half size, which is meant to feed 2 to 3 adults, and the full-size meals, which is meant to feed 4 to 6 adults. So we're, for any size household pretty much, with like leftovers or not, it will depend on how you order. And that is how simple it is. So we encourage you to give us a try. We're not a subscription service, so you can just try it one time and see how you like it. And we find that most people who give us a try become addicted and really fast.